Hi. So for some reason my recording stopped, so I'm recording it again. So in this problem we have to implement the function ATOI. This function takes string as argument and converts it to an integer and returns it. So to convert a string to an integer, we first convert a string to array of characters, and then we'll convert each character to an integer. So we have to make sure like whatever characters we get or whatever string it comprises of numeric, because then only we can convert it to integers. So for example, if we have 2 given, it is a character, then we'll just subtract 0 and it will give me 2 as an integer. For 789 also, if it's a string, then with the help of a loop we iterate through this string and we'll get character array, and then each character will be then converted to integer, and then all of them are at the end of all of them are added, and we finally will get 789 as integer. So I'll explain how it works after writing the program. Okay, so I started with, first of all, I want to check if it is a numeric character. So I wrote a function. Its public bool is numeric character. It takes character x and will return if x is greater than 0 or x is less than or equal to 9. So if it lies between these array, then it is true, means it is a numeric character, otherwise it's false. So next is I'll write my ATOI function. So I have given a return type int and it is taking a string as its argument. So first of all, I'll check the string length. So if a string length is 0, then we'll return 0. We don't have to do anything, we'll simply return 0. Now we'll take a result variable and we'll initialize it with 0. The sign will initialize it with 1. The sign is like it will tell if a number is negative or positive. So initially we have initialized it with 1, which means it's a initialize positive, and then I equal to 0. So we are initializing the I outside the loop. So first of all, in the first element of the string, we'll check if it is minus. If it is minus, then we'll change the sign value to -1 and then increment the I. Now we'll write the for loop. We start with just the semicolon, which means that we have initialized I outside the loop, and wherever it is stopped, it will start from there. I mean, after that it will start following that index, and then I is less than string length, and then I plus plus. Now we'll check if is numeric character, which is string of I, equal to false. So if it is false, which means it's not a numeric character, we'll return 0. Okay. Otherwise we'll write result equal to result into 10 plus string of I minus 0, and then we'll return sign into result, whatever it comes from here. So for example, we have to check 789. We have to convert it into integer. So first of all, 7 will go in the loop, so we'll have result equal to, so initially result was 0, so it will be 0, 0 into 10, 0, then plus string of I, which is 7, minus 0, so it will be 7. So now result is 7. Now the next time result will be, here is now it's 7, 7 into 10, 7 into 10 plus now 8, 8 minus 0, so it will be equal to 70 plus 8 equal to 78. Now for the third time we'll have, and this is the result, 78, so 78 into 10 plus the third character is 9 minus 0, so it will be 780 plus 9 equal to 789, and hence we got our integer as 789. Thank you.